Imagine you're about to listen to your favorite song, but your phone's speaker just isn't cutting it. The sound's too quiet, too tinny, and you wish you had something, anything, to give those beats a little extra punch. What if I told you that there's a ridiculously simple way to boost your phone's volume using nothing but 2 paper cups and a cardboard tube? No wires, no batteries, no Bluetooth, just a few household items and a couple of minutes. Here's how you can turn everyday recyclables into a surprisingly effective DIY phone amplifier. Start by gathering your materials. All you need are 2 empty paper cups, think the kind you'd use for a quick drink at a picnic, and 1 empty toilet paper roll. Make sure the cups are clean and the cardboard tube is sturdy. If you want to go the extra mile, grab some tape, markers, or stickers for a personalized touch. Begin with the toilet paper roll, which will act as the main channel for your sound. Lay your phone across the tube horizontally to find the best spot for your dock. Use a pen to trace the outline of your phone's base right in the center of the tube. This is where your phone will sit, so make sure the rectangle is just wide enough to cradle your phone snugly without letting it fall through. Next, carefully cut out the rectangle you just traced. You can use scissors or a craft knife. Just be sure to ask for help if you're not used to handling sharp tools. Test fit your phone. It should slide in halfway and stand upright, balanced and secure in its new perch. Now let's make the speakers. Grab your 2 paper cups and, on each one, use a pen to mark a spot about halfway up the side. This is where the toilet paper roll will slide through. Try to line up the marks so the holes will be at the same height on both cups. Carefully cut out these holes, just large enough for the tube to fit snugly. If you want to avoid tearing the cups, make a small X with your scissors first. Then widen the hole as needed. With your holes ready, slide one end of the toilet paper roll through each cup. The cups should now sit on either side of the tube, forming a T-shaped structure. This clever design channels sound from your phone through the tube and out into the cups, which act as natural amplifiers. If you like, you can secure everything with a bit of tape, or get creative and decorate your new amplifier with paint, washi tape, or whatever you have on hand. This isn't just about making your music louder, it's about making something uniquely yours. Time for the fun part, testing it out. Place your phone into the slot you made, hit play on your favorite track, and listen. You'll notice right away that your music sounds bigger and fuller. The sound waves travel through the cardboard tube, bounce off the inside of the cups, and project outward, amplifying the volume without any electronics. This DIY hack is great for small gatherings, outdoor picnics, or just when you want a little more oomph from your phone's speaker. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and a fantastic example of how a little bit of creativity can go a long way. So next time you finish a roll of paper towels or grab a drink in a paper cup, remember, you're just a few steps away from your very own homemade amplifier. Give it a try, share your favorite tunes, and let the good times roll louder than ever before.